Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can format your Trello board, so let's get right into it. Now, the only thing that you can format on your Trello board is the text, which is in the description of your cards, and that's pretty much the only thing that you have. Now, if you by format you mean how to change the position, you just literally drag and drop the lists wherever you want, and that's the only thing that you need to do. But if you want to format the text in a description of a card, you just need to enter the card and write into the description. Now, as you can see, I'll just write some random text, and as you can see, you have these format options right here. You have the code view if you want to look at the code, or you can select strike through and you can clear formatting if you want to, if you have some formatting. But for example, if I select this text and click the B, it's going to be bold. If I click I, it's going to be italicized. If I click strike through, it's going to be stricken through, and you have shortcuts for each of these. For strike through, it's Control Shift S. For bold, it's Control B. For italicized, it's Control I, and for clearing formatting, it's Control and backslash. Now, you can also do this with text. If you put 2 asterisks at either side, it's going to bold the text. If you put 1 asterisk on either side, it's going to italicize it. It should be italicized like this. I'm not sure why that's not happening. Let me just try it again. Yeah, there we go. So the right asterisk or the right symbol needs to go last. And if you want to underscore it, you need to make 2 tildes by holding Shift and the button below the escape key. Then write some text. I am sorry for my phone going off. I'll just make it silent really quickly. But yeah, as you can see, that is how you format the text. And that's pretty much, as I mentioned, all you can format. And for some reason, it's still stricken through because I didn't select it. There we go. But yeah, if you, by format you mean how to clear the board entirely, what you're going to need to do is close the board first and make an identical one with no cards, or you can just archive all the lists and the cards if you want to, and that's going to delete everything. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.